Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh with you again, along with your topic, that is area and circumference of circle. Let us take some more questions. In the following figure, OAB is a quadrant of a circle. The radius OA equal to 3.5 centimeter and OD equal to 2 centimeter. Calculate the area of shaded region, that is pi given 22 upon 7. So this figure is given here. You can see that this much is a quadrant of a circle, this full, and this part is a triangle, this much. You can see a triangle. So we have to find the shaded region, area of shaded region. Clearly we can see if we subtract area of this triangle from area of this quarter circle, if we subtract area of triangle from this area of quarter circle, so we get this area of shaded region. So now area of triangle AOD, how we will get area of triangle AOD? That will be half of OA into OD. So we get half 1 by 2, OA 3.5, OD 2, 3.5 centimeter square. Then area of quarter circle, that is pi r square upon 4. Value of pi given 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 3.5 upon 4. On calculation we get 9.625 centimeter square. Then area of shaded portion will be area of quarter circle 9.625 minus area of triangle, so we get 6.125 centimeter square. Let us take one more question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with angle ABC 90 degree. A semicircle is drawn with AC as diameter. If AB equal to BC equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. Pi equal to given 22 upon 7. So in this figure you can see this full given one semicircle, and this ABC is given an isosceles triangle. Both sides are given 7 centimeter. So first of all we need to find this diameter. So we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, that is AB 7 square, BC square 7 square. So AC square equal to 98, AC equal to square root of 98, 7 under root 2. So the radius will be 7 under root 2 upon 2. Diameter is 7 root 2, so radius will be half of the diameter, 7 under root 2 upon 2 centimeter. Now we have to find area of shaded region, that will be area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So area of shaded region, area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So pi r square upon 2, this will be the area of semicircle, and area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. So we put here pi equal to 22 upon 7 upon 2 as it is, 7 root 2 upon 2 whole square, that is r, and this we get 49 upon 2. On solving this 22 upon 7 as it is, 7 square, that will be 7 into 7, root 2 square, it will be 2, and downside this 2 given, so this will become 2 by 2, 2 into 2. So on solving we get 154 upon 4 minus 49 upon 2, taking LCM 4 and subtracted, we get 56 upon 4 divided by 56 divided by 4, we get 14 centimeter square. Let's take one more question. In the given figure, ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter with AC as diameter. A semicircle is drawn. Find the area of shaded region. So here in the figure, this is given 14, this is also given 14, 90 degree this angle. So we get this. Find out AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square 14 square plus 14 square, AC square equal to 196 plus 196, that is 392. So AC equal to under root 392, that is 14 under root 2. So diameter we have got 14 under root 2 of the semicircle. Diameter is of the semicircle. So radius will be divided by 2. Say radius will be diameter divided by 2. So we get 7 under root 2 centimeter. So area of shaded region will be area of triangle plus area of semicircle and minus area of quarter circle. So radius of semicircle 7 under root 2 we have got. We have written this already. Area of shaded region, area of triangle plus area of semicircle minus area of quarter circle. So area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height 14 into 14. Area of semicircle, that will be pi r square upon 2. Pi r square 7 under root 2 its square and upon 2. And area of quarter circle, pi radius is 14 square upon 4. So this we get 98. This also we will solve. So we get this 98 plus 154 minus 154, both cancelled. So we get only 98 centimeter square. In the given figure, ABCD is a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC, angle ABC 90 degrees. From this piece, quarter circle BEFC is removed. Given that DC equal to BC, that is 4.2 centimeter, and AE equal to 2 centimeter. Find the area of remaining piece of card. So area of figure AECD, this is the remaining piece of card. Here from this trapezium we have cut out this quarter circle, so we get only this shaded portion left. So you see, area of trapezium minus area of quarter circle. So total area of trapezium, see this BC given 4.2, this is given 4.2, this much is given 2, this is also 4.2 given. So you see, area of trapezium, sum of parallel sides. One side is 4.2, other side is 4.2 plus 2, that is 6.2. The sum of parallel sides is 4.2 plus 6.2 into distance between parallel sides, that is this part. So that is also 4.2. So multiplied by distance between them minus area of quarter circle, pi r square upon 4. Pi r square is 4.2 square. We can see this radius 4.2 upon 4. So this we get 10.4 into 4.2 upon 2, and this we get 22 upon 7. 4.2 upon 4. So this is 21.84 minus 13.86. We get 7.98 centimeter square.